Hello everyone, welcome to the new lecture on the subject of marketing and salesmanship. Here we are going to discuss your chapter 4, that is recent trends in marketing. In this topic we will be discussing few of the recent trends that has been adopted in marketing, such as digital marketing, green marketing, niche marketing, e-marketing, and then social media marketing. So let's start with the first concept, that is digital marketing. As you know, the word digital means anything that is relating to internet or computer technology. So here we can say that under digital marketing, internet and computer technology is used to market your product. So first let's understand what is meant by digital marketing. So as you can see in the first paragraph, digital marketing is the marketing of goods and services using digital technology like the internet. It however includes marketing through mobile phones, digital displays and other techniques using digital technology. So as I said, digital marketing takes the help of internet as well as mobile phones, digital displays and other technologies. Digital marketing basically refers to advertising and marketing messages that are delivered through digital channels such as websites, emails, search engines, mobile apps, social media, and digital displays. Now, let's see what are the various types of digital marketing. So, number one is search engine marketing. Search engine marketing helps a business gain clients through advertisements placed on search engines such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. As we are using internet in our day-to-day life, we are searching various things over the internet. That is why the first type is search engine. So here the word search engine means whenever we use various websites such as Google, Yahoo or Bing, over the website we see various advertisements whenever we are searching for some word. So that is search engine marketing. Second is pay per click. Now pay per click is a model of internet marketing in which advertisers pay a fee to the publisher each time one of their ad is clicked. So when we are browsing through various websites, you must have experienced that whenever you open some website, on the top corner or on the right or left corner, we see a banner which is displayed on that website. And whenever we click on that banner, we are redirected to the another page of the advertiser. So that is pay per click. The word pay per click means the number of clicks that are done on that advertisement, as per that the advertiser will have to pay the advertising fees. Third type is social media marketing. Social media marketing is the popular type of digital marketing that helps marketers to create a brand image in a powerful and trendy manner. Advertisers here use various social media channels like Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat to advertise their products. So here in this third type, all of you are well aware about the various social medias. So here the marketing companies, they try to gather the attention of the social media users through these various websites or mobile application. So as mentioned, we see various advertisements on the Facebook, YouTube, Instagram or Twitter. This has become a way of communication with the people, creating and distributing quality content in a well targeted manner on the various social media platform is one of the recent trends in the marketing. Now let's see the next type of marketing that is being used recently, that is green marketing. Green marketing is also known as environmental marketing or sustainable marketing. It refers to all activities that facilitate any exchange intended to satisfy human needs and wants in such a way that the satisfaction of the said needs and wants occurs with the minimum detrimental impact on the natural environment. So, in this first paragraph, the basic thing that you need to understand is that the word green refers to the environment. So, here, whenever as a marketer we are undertaking various marketing activities, we have to make sure that these marketing activities should be carried out in such way that they will satisfy the human needs, but at the same time they will not harm or they will not have any adverse impact on the natural environment. In the second paragraph, according to the American Marketing Association, green marketing is the marketing of products that are presumed to be environmentally safe. So, as I said, under green marketing, you have to market your product, but at the same time, you have to make sure that you are not causing any harm to the environment, and the products that you are marketing are also environmentally safe. In the third paragraph, green marketing companies seek to go above and beyond traditional marketing by promoting environmental core values in the hope that the consumers will associate these values with their company or brand. Engaging in these sustainable activities can lead to creating a new product line that caters to the target market. So, here you must have understood what is green marketing. Now, let's see why green marketing is importance. Number one, it ensures sustained long term growth along with the profitability. So, here, whenever green marketing is adopted by the business, it will make sure that the business has or will have a long term growth in the future, and as well as the business will remain profitable. Second, it saves money in the long run, and initially the cost is more. So, here, whenever you are trying to adopt green marketing, initially you will see that the cost is involved, but in the long run it will save your money. Number 3, it helps companies market their products and services keeping the environment aspect in mind. It helps in assessing the new markets and enjoying competitive advantage. Number 4, most of the companies also feel proud and responsible to be working for an environmentally responsible company. So in this way, we can conclude that the green marketing has various importance, and today's consumers are becoming more and more conscious about the environment and are also becoming socially responsible. Therefore, more companies are acting responsibly to consumers' aspirations for environmentally less damaging or neutral products. Marketing for, that is, in the next point we will see marketing mix for green marketing. As you know, under marketing mix, we consider 4 P's of marketing. First is product, then price, place, and promotion. So let's see how marketing mix is adopted for green marketing. Number 1, product. The product of a green company would be developed in such a way that it uses recyclable material. The usage of the product by the consumer will not harm the environment or will cause the minimum possible harm to the environment. Second is price. As you know, price is the second P of marketing mix. It is another element of the marketing mix. Most customers are prepared to pay for the value they perceive the product to have. If they perceive the product to have a higher value, they are prepared to pay a higher price. Number 3 is place. Green place is about managing logistics in such way so as to cut down on transportation emission, thereby in effect reducing the carbon footprint. Number 4 is promotion. Green promotion involves using the various elements of the promotion mix, that is, advertising, personal selling, publicity, and sales promotion in such a way that it sends out a message to all the company that is environmentally friendly. So here you must have understood that under marketing mix for green marketing, we have to consider all these 4 P's, that is product, price, place, and promotion. All of them are done with consideration of the environment. Thank you.